is a cousin Teddy. He's whiter. He's single and he likes rock music.
It's my brother, Eddie. He's a doctor. He's got a wife and 2 kids, and he likes classical music. How about this one?
I don't know. A cousin?
No.
Your brother?
No!
An uncle?
It's my Aunt Judy!
Sorry, Miss Morris. She looks like your uncle.
Tell me something about her.
She architect.
Artist.
Married.
Divorce.
2 kids. 3 kids. 5 kids.
No kids! Only 8 more. Here's an easy.
I don't know.
It's my father!
I know who your father is. Why are you showing me photos of your father?
My family is coming in 1 hour. Now pay attention.
Why do you have such a large family?
It's not that, Lord.
Not at last? You have 6 brothers and sisters, 14 aunts and uncle. Oh no, how many nieces and nephews? I say that's like families.
They're not all coming over.
No, it is not.
I'm sorry, honey. I just want them to like you. Calm down. It's okay. You're doing fine.
Okay, I'm okay. Your cousin John?
Oh!